Okay, Shubham, so let's proceed ahead with your mock interview for NIC, National Informatics Center, for the post of Scientist B. So to start with, Shubham, a brief introduction from your side.
Sir, myself Shubham, I am from Gondia district in Maharashtra. About my family, sir, my father is a clerk in junior college and my mother is a homemaker. And I have one younger brother. I completed my engineering in computer science from HGGS Nanded. And sir, thereafter I started working as a system engineer at TCS for the period of 1 year. And since then, sir, I was preparing for government services and GATE exam. And sir, my hobbies are running and reading poems. Yes, sir, that's it.
Okay, so tell me, Shubham, why as computer engineer you were working in very good company TCS and now you want to government job? Why you want to shift to government job?
Sir, it's always my dream to work in a government job. Sir, because sir, I always fascinated by the work culture in government services, and sir, there is a job stability in government sector, and sir, there is some kind of satisfaction that I am working for my people of my country.
How do you define work culture?
Sir, there is a good salary structure. There is a better working hours. Yes, sir.
Working hours भी limited हैं, salary भी अच्छा मिल जाता है. वो work culture थोड़ी हुआ. वो तो remuneration हुआ.
And sir, the work culture means, sir, there is a people who are basically very good in technical field in government sector, because the people which government organization.
The place where you were working, there were very good people in TCS. They were technically very sound.
Yeah,
maybe NIC में आपको ऐसे ना मिले. वहाँ पे तो तुम engineers के साथ काम कर रहे थे.
Yes,
maybe यहाँ पे आपको technician से काम करना पड़े who are not technically that sound. They are not that trained.
Yeah, sir, but they are also technically good. Sounds good, sir. Because
okay.
they are also giving exams and getting recruited in the prestigious NIC offices.
Okay. And Shubham, tell me, what do you know about NIC, National Informatics Center? And my question, another question I want to ask you is, if you were interested in government job, why you opted for computer engineering at the first place? You should have taken, because more government jobs are in other branches like civil engineering, maybe mechanical engineering. Why
yes, sir, but sir, actually, when I was in my 12th standard, I opted computer science as my extra subject.
Okay.
And since then, sir, I got interest in computer science. So I choose computer science as my branch in computer engineering. And I also want to do a job in government sector. So it get combined, sir.
अब मेरे को NIC के बारे में बताओ. Tell me something about NIC. Have you seen our website?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What did you find the best in website? Our website.
In Yourpedia?
Not Yourpedia, NIC.
Yes, sir. I went through the documents that you provided.
No, have you seen NIC website?
Yes, sir. I also got.
So what did you like the best in that?
The best thing is the interface that they provide, and the
that
information.
Interface is almost same for every website of government.
Yes, sir. Almost.
So as a computer engineer, if you want to suggest some change in our website, what will suggest?
I don't think, sir, there is any need to change something.
Okay, so tell me something about NIC now.
Sir, NIC is established in 1976, and since then, it providing the e-governance and various ICT support to the government of India. And it basically comes under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. And the areas which NIC works on are implementation of various state and central government projects. And also it responsible for various research and development. And it also do a maintenance of various departments in India.
Are you aware about the new IT rules government is bringing?
Sir, there are some rules. Yes, sir, there are some rules related to the cyber security. But I am not went through in detail. But there are some cyber security rules.
Okay, rules related to this social media sites and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you aware about that?
I didn't go through this.
Okay, can you tell me the Ministry of Information Technology?
Yes, sir.
Is as of now.
Sir Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad, sir.
Okay, so what do you understand by e-governance, Shubham? What do you mean by that?
Sir, governance means there are some services which are comes under these are the services that basically provide by the government through NIC, which contain the information or which
so can you name the go ahead.
So it's basically the electronics governance that works on a digital platform to provide the various services to the government and to government, state government and central government.
And what is good governance?
Sorry, sir.
What is good governance? Have you heard about this term, good governance?
No, sir.
Acha, can you name some program scheme of government, largest e-governance scheme routed through NIC?
Yes, sir. There are many like e-Kisan, e-library, e-hospitals, e-Chalan. There are many services that provided by the NIC.
How these help in governance, proper governance?
Sir, if you take the example of e-hospital, so it basically connects the patients, doctor, hospitals on a single platform, so they can monitor and analyze the patients through digitally enabled platform.
You have the hobby of I think
so reading poems and running,
reading poems, not writing.
No, sir, I just read the poems. Yeah.
Which poems? Which language?
Sir, Hindi and Marathi.
Okay, so can you name some poet? Your favorite poet, Hindi poet?
Yes, sir. Harivansh Rai Bachchan, sir. Kabir Sahab. There is Ramdas.
मेरे को कबीर साहब का कोई दोहा सुनाओ मेरे को, अच्छा सा, आपका फेवरेट, सोच के बताओ.
Yes, sir.
आपका फेवरेट दोहा कबीर साहब का?
Sir, there is one doha like जाति ना पूछो लोहार की. Sorry, sir. जाति ना पूछो. Let me recollect, sir. हाँ, sir, there is a doha like this. जाति ना पूछो साधु की, पूछ लीजिए ज्ञान. मोल करो तलवार का, पड़ी रहने दो मैन.
क्या मीनिंग है इसका?
Sorry, sir.
इसका मीनिंग क्या है? What is the meaning of this?
Meaning, sir, if you want to get some knowledge from the sadhu or any person, ask the knowledge, not what he is doing, what is his background. Don't ask these things. Just out whatever has the knowledge he has, try to gain that knowledge.
Okay, but I will ask you the background of Kabir Sahib. What religious background he was from?
Sir, his background, I think, Muslim.
Are you sure?
I don't know, sir, exactly, but I think.
चलो हरिवंश राय बच्चन का कोई सुना के बताओ मेरे को poem.
Yes, sir. There is one poem here, Madhushala, that sir has written. There is one stanza like this. प्राण प्रिय यदि श्राद्ध करो तो मेरा तो ऐसे करना, पीने वालों को बुलवा कर पिलवा देना मधुशाला, पीने वालों को बुलवा कर पिलवा देना मधुशाला. Like this, sir.
You know, कोशिश करने वाले की हार नहीं होती. Do you know that poem?
Yes, sir. That also written by the Harivansh Rai Bachchan, sir.
Can you read the lines?
I don't exactly remember, sir, the lines, but BHEL, I am not able to recollect the word.
अमिताभ बच्चन ने बहुत बार बोला है वो, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In KBC also.
Where do you run?
I run in the morning, sir. I run 4 to 5 kilometers daily. On the road only, sir, not on the track.
Okay, what is the difference between 100-meter race and marathon race?
Sir, I don't know, sir. I just exercise. I run for exercise. I don't know about.
100-meter race and 4-5 किलोमीटर की रेस जब दौड़ते तो क्या डिफरेंस होता है?
Sir, there is a difference in the track.
Not track. You're running on the road. Let's say. मैं normally पूछ रहा हूँ. Not as athlete. मेरे को 100 meters दौड़ना है और मेरे को मैराथन दौड़ना है.
Okay,
the road?
there is a yes, sir. There is a speed difference. I think
What is
in
that?
100 meters. Sorry, sir.
What is the difference?
I think in 100 meter we need to run fast, and in a 4 to 5 kilometer race we need to maintain the speed because we should not get exhausted early. So I think there is a difference in the speed.
So life is 100-meter race or marathon?
So it's marathon. It's never ended. We can't predict the end line.
Okay, Shubham, now tell me, what separates you from other candidates who have come for interview today? How you are better than them?
Sir, I think my adaptability to the new places. I just get involved with people and surrounding environment easily. And sir, I am a team player. And sir, I really listen to the people. I think, sir, this thing.
Okay. Are you aware NIC centers are created in every district?
Yes, sir. In
Okay.
every district.
Have you visited any NIC center in your district?
No, sir, not yet.
कहाँ पे होता है ये? Where is this center located?
So it's basically located in the district in every state.
District में किसी किसी ऑफिस के अंदर होता है? कहाँ होता है ये?
Sir, it basically comes located in the, I think, collector office, nearby collector office.
How it is related to collector?
I think, sir, the information that NIC office provided to the collector.
Okay. Okay. You want to ask anything to us, Shubham?
No, sir.
Okay. So Shubham, this last question which I asked you, you should ask them something. If they give you the chance to ask some question, you should ask them some question. और वो तो तुम तभी पूछ पाओगे जब तुम NIC के बारे में information gather करोगे पहले. You need to gather the information about NIC and then only you will be in position to ask it.
Okay, sir.
Right. So NIC के वेबसाइट पे जाओ और उसको डिटेल में देखो और कॉपी लो और उसमें लिखो. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली पूछता है वो कि आपने वेबसाइट देखा है क्या? That shows how much you are interested. और उस वेबसाइट में आपको अच्छा क्या लगा कंटेंट वाइज, डिस्प्ले वाइज वो नहीं पूछता, कंटेंट वाइज पूछता है कि what is good in that website and where do you think we should improve. That question you can ask you.
Okay, sir.
And second, you need to be aware about the latest policies of the government. Government has come out with some new IT rules.
Yes, sir.
Basically इनका प्राइवेसी के ऊपर लेके, इनके OTT rules के ऊपर लेके, OTT rules and IT rules, over the top rules, you know. So ये सारी चीज वो आपसे पूछ सकता है. And he can ask you about the latest technologies also. तो वो latest जो rules हैं वो एक बार देख लो. And maybe जो ग्रुप डिस्कशन वाला वेबसाइट पे जाओगे वहाँ GD वाला सेक्शन पड़ा है, उस GD वाले सेक्शन में बहुत से वीडियोस पड़े हुए हैं न्यू IT रूल्स से रिलेटेड, उनको एक बार देख लो. योरपीडिया के उस पे पड़े हुए हैं पैनल पे. And good governance, e-governance, these terms you should be aware. What is e-governance, what is good governance, and what kind of programs are there. और वेबसाइट पे जाके मीडिया में जाके चेक करना लेटेस्ट रिपोर्ट्स क्या हैं. What is the latest in NIC that you should know. Right? बाकी जस्ट ये आपका जो इंटरेक्शन हुआ है, ये न्यू चैनल जो है योरपीडिया का नया चैनल, वहां पे ये डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा, तो अपना एक बार मॉक दोबारा से सुनना सारा. Where do you find the scope of improvement?
Okay, sir.
राइट. और ये पोइम्स तुमने बोला है तो तुम्हें याद होनी चाहिए. वो अचानक बोलेगा हरिवंश राय जी का पोइम सुनाओ, मराठी पोइट के बारे में नाम बताओ और उसका पोइम बताओ. तो उसमें 2-3 लाइंस फ्लो करनी चाहिए थोड़ा सोच के, राइट, कि हरिवंश राय बच्चन का सर ये पोइम मेरे को एक बहुत अच्छा लगता है तो आई विल रीड इट, मैं उसको बोलूँ. तो ऐसे अकॉर्डिंगली यू शुड से, राइट.
Okay, sir.
Whatever you say, they will try to check that whether you do that or not. The rest is okay. Don't speak anything which you don't know. Work culture. गवर्नमेंट का तुम आंसर नहीं कर पाए कि NIC क्यों ज्वाइन करना है, कि सर गवर्नमेंट में को जॉब अच्छा लगता था. वर्क कल्चर ये नहीं है. वर्क कल्चर तो गवर्नमेंट का क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं लोग कि काम ही तो करते नहीं. TCS से तुम आओगे गवर्नमेंट में, तुम देखोगे काम कम करते हैं लोग. वर्क कल्चर ही तो बिगड़.
Sir, how should I answer this question, sir? Then
you should say, sir, government jobs have different kind of prestige associated. I come from a middle class family. You said your father is working where? In government only?
Yes, sir. In a school, sir.
In a government job, huh? Government job?
It's private school, but it is a government funded.
Okay, so you will say, sir, I belong to middle class family, and where government jobs have a lot of prestige. So this
Okay,
was the
sir.
dream of me and my parents to one day get a prestigious government job. I took computer engineering because of my interest in computer science, and then I started exploring that how can I enter into government job now. You entered
Okay,
into
sir.
computer engineering because at the level of 12th class you were enjoying the computer science, right?
Yeah, sir.
So that made you enter into computer engineering. And then when decision was to be taken in final year, now getting into jobs and all, then you started exploring. You were not knowing that computer science में government job नहीं होता. +2 के level पे तुम्हें पता ही नहीं था, right or not?
Yes, sir.
किसी
Yes.
+2 वाले बच्चे से पूछो गवर्नमेंट जॉब होता है कंप्यूटर में, सिविल में, इलेक्ट्रिकल में, उसको थोड़ी पता होगा.
No.
So if they say कि why you took computer science, so that moment I took computer science, I was inclined for computer science, and I was not knowing whether there is a government job or not in that. Finally, मेरे को लगा कि government jobs कम है. Then I started exploring, and I luckily found NIC.
Yes, sir.
And why government job, sir? Government job has a particular type of prestige associated with it. It's a very healthy life balance, work-life balance you can do. In TCS, when I did job, it was wonderful job. Everything was okay, but yes, there was a peculiar kind of pressure when you were working, and insecurity, pressure and insecurity. These two things were there in TCS. Insecurity, layoff. जैसे कोविड आ गया, ले ऑफ हो सकता है, कुछ ऐसा इनसिक्योरिटी की फीलिंग होती है, राइट? एंड प्रेशर टू कंप्लीट द प्रोजेक्ट, दैट प्रेशर इज ऑलवेज देयर, एंड वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस नहीं बनता उसमें. सो गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स आर परफेक्ट इन दैट. प्रेस्टीज है उससे, उसमें वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस हो सकता है, एंड यू कैन बेसिकली वर्क इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सेफ एनवायरनमेंट. जॉब इनसिक्योरिटी नहीं होता.
Okay, sir.
इसलिए आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाना चाहते. डोंट यूज वर्ड वर्क कल्चर एंड ऑल.
Okay, sir.
गड़बड़ाया हुआ है गवर्नमेंट का.
Okay, sir.
राइट?
Yeah, thank you.
रेस्ट इज ओके. एक बार दोबारा से देना, टाई शाई डाल के अच्छे तरीके से, थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा के, राइट?
Okay, sir. Sir, when should I give this again?
When you are ready, and then you can pop up, not a problem.
Okay, sir.
जब तैयार हो जाओ, पढ़ो उसको सारा, एनआईसी का पढ़ो, मैंने दे दिया अभी काम करने को आपको, उसको पढ़ो
Yes, sir.
अच्छे
Yes,
तरीके
sir.
से.
Yes, sir.
और पॉलिसीज पढ़ो, न्यू आईटी पॉलिसीज एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, राइट?
Okay, sir. Okay. Understood.
ओके शुभम,